Juice Outdoors. Here are the Department of Fire and Emergency Services and the SES, all volunteers. Had a big storm go through on Wednesday. It's now Saturday. We're all waiting to go back home. We came out, look, putting roofs back on houses basically. And Kalgoorlie's claim to fame is the big super pit. So here we are. Well, that was exciting. Definitely not getting wet here. What they mine here besides rocks and dirt? Rocks. There you go. I had no idea what they mined here. Okay, so it's the Kalgoorlie Super Pit is a gold mine. Been operating, what is it, approximately 600 kilometers east of Perth. And it's been operating a while. I can't find what it says, how long it's been. Look. No idea. Well, it's been here a long time. You don't get a hole like that overnight. That's what she said. It's one of the digger teeth. Flies. Second attraction at Kalgoorlie, flies. I don't know if you can see that. In June 1893. Three Irishmen, Paddy of course, Tom and Dan, on their way to a strike at Mount Eula, stumbled upon gold immediately west of Mount Charlotte. Though they soon found in excess of 100 ounces, they still had no inkling that the richest mile on earth, the Gold Mile, lay somewhere 3.1 miles, 5 kilometers to the south. This was found soon afterwards by Sam Pearce and Willie Brookman, who pegged the ground and went on to become two of the most profitable mines of all time, the Great Boulder and Ivanhoe. So this has been going on since 1893. Nothing lasts forever. Between 1910 and 1920, many mines amalgamated, ore recovered rates reduced, jobs melted away, many diggers left to fight the Great War. The population shrank. In 1920, pendulum swung back the other way with gold prices soaring. This recovery was short-lived when the depression flies around here is shocking. The mile was already struggling. It was only when Australian government devalued the pound by 25% in 1931 that gold returned to profitability, and the wealth returned to the Golden Mile. See, it has produced nearly 15 million ounces of gold since the days of Paddy and his mates. So that's just a little bit of money. It's quite close to town. Got some big tyres here. I want to stagger up on the tyres and we'll do a bit of a panoramic shot around to the town. Oh, fucking tyres are hot. I burnt my little hand. Okay, so we've got the super pit, and look, just over the rise there's a town spreading out. So these guys have quite a way to travel to go to work. It's hot, it's dusty, it's the end of winter. Flies are shocking. I think I'd prefer to go back to the ocean and get wet. All right, see you guys. Maybe that's where they did the explosion yesterday. Hey, you do think of gold, oh, we found gold, they're mining this big, oh yeah, they're finding soccer ball things of gold all the time. They're not.
No, they're not.
The guy who brought some bags of sand from Bunnings over the east, sipped through them and found gold in them. Not a lot, but
got his GoPro and he's showing it. Oh, he's saying something. His finger comes up right in front of it.
It's not the first time.
Not the first time. There was a what?
Shark and fish and chips.
Ah! Just get a photo of it?
Yeah. Should have. I can't do it. You know, Tom.
Yeah. They're not sure where they're going.
Oh.
It's like us.
Got a rough on me.
It's that restaurant.
Got ready to do with what's the next one come in.
Yeah.
You'll see a plane trying to land soon. Just follow that.
Frying toilet?
Well, ours didn't take off.
Busy airport.
Back here, get not happy with the roof, drop it dead, so we're coming back. Good job.